Hello everybody, welcome back. Our lesson today is higher derivative of a function. First, consider the function given by y equal f of x equal x power 5 minus 3x power 4 plus x. First, find its derivative f dash y dash equal f dash of x equal x power 5 its derivative 5x power 4 minus 3x power 4 its derivative minus 12x power 3 and derivative of x equals 1. We use the notation f double dash for the derivative, that's f double dash of x equal d over dx f dash of x. Now he will ask us to find the second or the third or the fourth derivative of any function. Now y equal f of x equal x power 5 minus 3x power 4 plus x. First derivative y dash. So the first derivative y dash equal derivative of x power 5, 5x power 4. Derivative of minus 3x power 4 will be minus 12x power 3. Derivative of x is 1. Now find the second derivative. Find the second derivative. To find the second derivative, we must find the first derivative to begin. First derivative, which y dash equal 5x power 4 minus 12x power 3 plus 1. Then second derivative will be derivative of 5x power 4 will be 20x power 3 and derivative of negative 12x power 3 will be negative 36x power 2. First derivative is f triple dash of x equal 20 times 3 will be 60x power 2 and derivative of negative 36x power 2 will be negative 72x. The fourth derivative will be derivative of 60x power 2 will be 120x and derivative of 72x will be negative 72. First example, f y equal x power 5 minus 3x power 4 plus x. He will ask us to find first or second or third or fourth derivative. First, the first derivative here dy over dx. X power 5 will be 5x power 4. Minus 3x power 4 will be minus 12x power 3 and derivative of x will be 1. d2y over dx2, which means the second derivative of the function, which equal 20x power 3 minus 36x power 2. d3y over dx3, which equal 60x power 2 minus 72x. d4y over dx power 4. 60 times 2 equals 120x minus 72. Finally, d5y over dx5, which means fifth derivative of the function, which equal 120, because the derivative of 120x will be 120. If he asked us to find d6y over dx6, then it's equal 0 because the derivative of any constant will equal 0. Yes. Second example. For y equal 1 over x, find d2y over dx2. Find the second derivative. To find the second derivative here, we must find the first derivative to begin. So you should put the original function y equal 1 over x in the exponential form to be easier. So y equal x power negative 1. It's the original function. First derivative here will be negative x power negative 2. Then the second derivative d2y over dx2 will be negative 1 times negative 2 will be 2x power negative 3. In the simplest form, it will be equal 2 over x power 3. In the next example, A, find y equal negative 6x power 4 plus 3x power 2. Here, he will ask us to find first or second derivative. First, y equal negative 6x power 4 plus 3x power 2. First derivative, negative 6 times 4 will be negative 24x power 3, and derivative of 3x power 2 will be 6x. Okay. Second derivative will be negative 24 times 3 equals negative 72 x power 2, and derivative of 6x will be 6. The next example, it's different because it's bracket power 2. To find the derivative of y equals 3x power 2 plus 1 all power 2. First, y dash equal 2 multiply 3x power 2 plus 1 power minus 1, so it will be 2 minus 1 equals 1 times derivative the function between the two brackets. Then derivative of 3x power 2 plus 1 equal 6x. So that's the first derivative of the function, which equal 2 times 6 equals 12x. 12x times 3 will be 36x power 3, and 2 times 6 equals 12x times 1 equals 12x in the simplest form. The second derivative, 3 times 36 equals 108x power 2. Derivative of 12x will be 12. The next example, find d4 over dx4 for the function 1 over x. That means he asked us to find the fourth derivative to the function 1 over x. We said before, you must put the original function in the exponential form to be easier. D over dx for 1 over x equal, first you must know that 1 over x equal x power negative 1. To find its first derivative, it will be negative x power, yes, power minus 1, it will be negative 2. So the first derivative here will be negative x power negative 2, okay. Same in the second derivative. Yes, the second derivative d over dx for the previous function, negative x power negative 2, which equal Negative 1 times negative 2 equals 2x power minus 1. Negative 2 minus 1, it will be equal negative 3. So it will be 2x power negative 3. Okay. The third derivative. Yes, the third derivative for the previous function 2x power negative 3. 2 times negative 3 equals negative 6. X power minus 1, negative 3 minus 1, it will be negative 4. Okay. Finally, the fourth derivative. The fourth derivative for the function negative 6x power negative 4. It will be, yes, negative 6 times negative 4. It will be 24 x power here is negative 4. Negative 4 minus 1 equals negative 5. So it will be 24 over x power 5 in the simplest form.